Hi all, welcome to goclasses. Let me quickly discuss some important updates about the scholarship test that we are conducting today. Are you excited for the scholarship test? Let me know. So, let me quickly share some very important updates. These points let me discuss: where to attempt the scholarship test pattern, number of questions, how to prevent cheating with AI, basically what measures we have taken, and the result availability. So, first, let me tell you that we are conducting goclasses scholarship test for GATE CS GATE DA 2027 aspirants. You can see CS test will start at 2 p.m. and DA test will start at 6 p.m. today on 26th July 2026. Okay. So let me quickly tell you where you can attempt the test, where to attempt. Okay. So let me quickly share my screen with you. So you can see. So just visit the goclasses website. On the goclasses website, you can see here. Once you log in, you can see I have logged in here. You can check. Okay. So on the goclasses website, here is the button. Attempt scholarship test today. Okay. Click on this button and this page will open. Okay. You can see this is the page. You can here see the URL mock test. Okay. So this is the page that will open. You can see CS test 2 p.m., DA test 6 p.m. Okay. Here you can continue. Okay. Just click this button, continue. And let me tell you that here you can see goclasses CS scholarship test attempt link will be available here at 1:50 p.m. Okay. So here you will find the attempt link. Okay. Before the test starts, the test will start at 2 p.m. and the link you will find before that. Okay. So 5 or 10 minutes before 2 p.m., you will find the link to attempt the CS scholarship test. Okay. And the attempt link for DA scholarship test, you will get, before 10 minutes or 20 minutes before the DA test starts. Okay. So very simple point. Now let me tell you the next point. Now let's quickly see what is the test pattern. So every test, each test will be of 1 hour and there will be 120 questions. So you can see the speed matters. And let me tell you, there is no negative marking. Why? What is the reason? Because we want to make sure that the genuine students, they get benefit over the student who is using AI. Okay. Many students, they sent us message that, sir, nowadays, using chat GPT, using Gemini, okay, using different type of AI, students can solve the questions, right? Okay, I agree. Whatever creative question we make, if we create very hard questions in 1 hour, only 10 or 15 questions if we give you, then the student who is using AI will get benefited. Okay, so that is the reason we are keeping only 30 seconds for one question. 1 hour, 120 questions, 60 minutes, 120 questions. And there is no negative marking, because remember, the AI will not make mistake. Nowadays, AI can give you the correct answer for almost all the questions. Correct. Okay, so AI is not going to get negative marking. So that is the reason, to benefit the genuine students, we are also making sure that there is no negative marking. And let me tell you very important point, that it is in your benefit that you solve the questions yourself, because for one question only 30 seconds you are getting. So if you take the screenshot using for AI, if you take the screenshot, then you go to the AI, you upload it, then the AI will process, it will give you the answer, then you will come back and then you will write the answer. So it will take a lot of time. That is the reason I am saying that it is in your benefit that you solve the questions yourself and not use AI. And let me tell you, most of the questions don't need copy pen. So basically, you can consider that all the questions are basically easier than the 1 mark questions of the GATE exam. Okay, so very simple. I hope you are getting my point. These measures we are taking because we want to make sure that the genuine student gets benefited over the student who is using AI. Okay, so please understand, if you are a genuine student who has studied, if you have covered the syllabus, if you have studied linear algebra, combinatorics, okay, then please solve the questions yourself. And for most of the questions, you don't need any copy pen also. Okay, within maybe 10 seconds, within 15 seconds, you can solve the question. In worst case, 30 seconds is enough to solve almost all the questions. Okay, so I hope you got it. So please solve the questions yourself and don't use AI. And one more thing, after the test is over, then remember, before providing the scholarship, we will conduct interview also. So if someone is using AI, then basically at some point they will they will be they will be caught. Okay, because we will take interview also. After the result is over, after the result is out, then before providing the scholarship, we are going to conduct interview. Now let me tell you about the result availability. For both CS test and DA test, the result will be available at 7:30 p.m. at 7:30 p.m. Okay, so today at 7:30 p.m. for CS test and DA test, the result will be available. Okay, so that's it. Basically all the important updates we have shared with you. I hope you got it. Are you excited? Let me know. Let me also share one very important news basically for Go classes. So today Go classes has turned 5. It's the 5th happy birthday of Go classes. 5 years back in 2021, on 26th July, we had our first lecture. We had our orientation session, we had our first lecture. So this is the happy birthday of Go classes, 5th happy birthday. And thank you for your support. In just 5 years, Go classes has become the most reputed institute for GATECS, GATEDA preparation in just 5 years. And of course, this is all because of your love, your support. So I just want to thank all of you. So you are, I can say, you are the one who has made it possible, and I just want to thank you. And I love you all. Today I'm very happy, and I love you all, and I thank you all. So it's 5th happy birthday of Go classes. Okay, so today is the 5th happy birthday, and also today we are conducting our scholarship test for GATECS GATEDA 2027. We will make sure that we take all the measures to make sure the genuine students get the scholarship. For us, for Go classes, a scholarship test is not a formality. You can see we are taking multiple measures. At the end, before providing a scholarship, we will also take interview. Okay, so only the genuine students will get the scholarship. So I hope you found these measures helpful. Okay, so because for us, Go classes scholarship test is not a formality. Okay, thank you everyone. So see you in the CS test, DA test. Thank you.